Here we are. This is a file handle, printed in 2 halves like this, M3 10mm balls. Both the same, both halves are the same, symmetrical or whatever they call it. And here's the file, quite a biggish file. This is what for bigger files. I've done this one-handed, so basically that tine, I think they call it, goes in there. Obviously bolted together, and when it's bolted together that'll grip just tight enough that this won't easily come out. That gives you an idea. I'll bolt this together, now I'll come back. Come out quite well, the prints. PLA. Well, there we are. I haven't really tightened this up yet too much. It's pretty tight. What I've had to do is put a screwdriver blade sort of down the edge of these nut heads here. These are locking nuts, just to hold it in position sort of thing while I tighten it. I've only just noticed, as you can see there, that these are 2 different filament spools, both red obviously, but one's a bit deeper than the other. There's a slight ridge on here. I think we do have some movement in the balls that when I tighten them up. That thing on there, and I've just knocked this in here, give it a bit of a bash with my hand. I am honestly trying to push this off with my thumb like this. Sorry. And I can't push it off, and that hasn't, as I say, those haven't been tightened up totally, just very lightly snug in a way. So there's my file handle. Got a good size, comfortable. I'll just go and get a different file, actually, different file sort of blade. I think I've got another one which doesn't have a handle on, and I'll try that in here. These are, I'm using round head button headed Allen balls. Locking nuts. That's like locking nuts which have a nylon insert to stop them coming loose. I'll just go and get that other file blade, if I've got one, without a handle on. So this one's a semi-round file, a bit shorter as you can see. Not all that much shorter, still a pretty big file. I'm going to push this in here and we'll see how well it fits. I'm doing this all one-handed. There we are. Yep, that fits okay. Again, quite tight in there. I'm going to try and I'm putting some strain on that, trying to push it off. As I say, these balls, nuts and balls, haven't been tightened up fully, so you probably want to leave them just snug and knock it in a bit, bang it on something, and then okay. I think the tightness of the balls pulling against here will also help tighten the nuts up a bit, and then you can screw it even tighter, if you get me, because it'll be pulling on, pushing against the nut. Yep, that's okay. I'll just show you if I can get this. Actually, having it on an FDM printer is quite good, because I did it a 0.2 layer height, that the layer lines a bit like wood grain and gives it nice grip. Actually feels nice. Yeah, feels good. So yeah, those two files of that size will help. If you had a really small file, that probably wouldn't, it'd be probably too loose in there. So but this is built for bigger files like these. I might print out another one for this and do it more permanent actually. But having screws, you can undo them a bit, slacken it off and pull them out. That has been chipped a bit, that one.